The Little Boy and the Talking Parrot. In a small village surrounded by green fields and tall trees, there lived a kind hearted boy named Sam. Sam was 8 years old and curly hair, brown and green, curious eyes. He loved to play in the fields and listen to the stories, help his parents with their work. One day, while going through the forest near his home, Sam heard a strange noise. Help! Help! The voice called. Sam stopped and looked around. Who's there? He asked. To his surprise, he saw a beautiful green parrot trapped in thorny bushes. Its feathers were shining in sunlight, and he has tiny eyes filled with fear. Without thinking twice, Sam carefully removed the thorns with the feet and parrot, and the bird flapped his wings and looked at him. Thank you, kind boy, the parrot said. Sam's eyes widened in shock. Did you just talk? Parrot chuckled. Yes, I'm a magical parrot. You saved my life, so I want to give you a special gift. Sam was amazed. A gift? What kind of gift? The parrot smiled. I will grant you one wish, but choose wisely, for wishes are powerful. Sam thought for a moment he could wish for gold, sweet, or even become richest boy in the world. But then he remembered something. In his village, there were too many people. But some families had no food, some children had no warm clothes for winter. Sam looked at the parrot and said, I wish for all the people in my village to have enough food and warm clothes. The parrot's eyes twinkled. A truly kind wish. Close your eyes. Sam closed his eyes. When he opened them, something wonderful happened. When Sam returned to his village, he saw a basket full of fresh foods inside every house, warm clothes near folded every doorstep. All the villagers were surprised and overjoyed. Look, there's food for everyone, they cheered. An old man smiled at Sam. They must be doing something, kind boy. Sam smiled, but nothing. He said he knew the magical parrot, but he made it happen. A rich but greedy man named Mr. Grum heard about Sam's gift. He wanted more rich for himself, so he decided to find the magical parrot. He searched for the forest for days and until he finally found it, the talkative parrot. Give me a wish, Mr. Grimm demanded. The parrot sighed. Wishes could be said wisely. What do you wish for? Mr. Grimm smirked. I wish for all the goals in the world are mine. The parrot nodded. Very well. Close your eyes. When Mr. Grimm opened his eyes, he saw piles of gold everywhere, but something was wrong. The gold has replaced all the food in his house. He had nothing to eat. The greedy man cried. Oh no, what I have done, the hungry man said. And Mr. Grum went to Sam and said, I was foolish, Sam. You wished for others, but I was selfish. Will you share your food with me? But Sam smiled and handed him a loaf of bread. Of course, it will never to be late to be kind. The magical parrot watched from trees, nodded happily. True kindness and generosity always brings happiness, it said. From that day on, Sam continued to help others, and Mr. Grum changed his ways. Learning and sharing kindness are more valuable. The moral of the story is, kids, true happiness comes from kindness and helping others, not from greed. So kids, that's it for today's video. Thank you so much for watching.